Okay, market open, and we start, going in maybe about a minute late. So as you can see, option chain is already open, and let's scroll and let's see if we can find something to buy. Look at the trend, it's on the uptrend. Normally you would buy a call, but let's see here. So let's scroll down, let's buy something small. Let's buy in the $1 something. Okay, so let's click buy and let's buy a put, because we want to make our lives a little bit harder than it should be. So let's buy a put instead. So here we go. Yep, just as expected, it's in the red. So let's see how that goes. Okay, let's buy one more. Just average down. Get a few more. You know, it'd be no outrageous trading if you're just gonna go with the trend, right? It's just be too easy. You just want to make a life a little bit harder, so it'd be more fun. Otherwise, could be video would end in like 10 minutes. So because our goal is just gonna have a green day, maybe like $100 or something like that, because we're not gonna be using $10,000 or anything like that. Maybe about a little bit over 1,000, whatnot. And at the end of the day, if you get maybe a 20% return, that's still not too bad, right? So look at that, we're in the green, buying a put, and it works. Okay, now it's gone reversal, it's going up again, and we're in the red, which is fine. That's how it goes to show you how outrageous this could be. So just average down. Okay, and I'm buying the dip, buy a few more. So we're at 9 contracts now. Let's get one more to make it 10. Oh, let's cancel it. Give it a 9. We're in the green. So it's already $100, just like that. But of course, it fluctuates. Now we're in the red. Let's get one more. Let's make it 10. 10 contracts on hand. See how that goes. So I'm sure, though, if you're a trader, you probably look at what I'm doing and screaming, say, "Nah, that's not how you do it." Well, just gonna do it outrageously, because all I got is this EMA, and that's it. And the indicator is a non-factor anyway. But just want to have it there, so kind of see that, it's not just candles. So, okay, it's going down a little more. Now we got some green. We are at 54. Actually, let's cut it. Oh, forgot to show you the date. So let me go to Google and let me type in today's date, just to confirm that it's Tuesday, April 8th, 2005. So fast forward, we take some profits here, selling a few contracts. So as you can see, we already $287 in the green, and here we are selling a few more. So it's just leaving behind 4 contracts. So fast forward again here to it's going up, so we need to add a few contracts to average down. Of course, we don't want to make life so easy, right? So I'm taking some profits here, selling 4 contracts, just leaving 4 behind, and jumping to this point where now we are going into the red. There we go, we're going into the red right now. It's going reversed. So, and then it's dropping down again. We are selling a couple to take some profits. So jump ahead, we let's see, selling some more, take some more profits. And then we sell pretty much the whole thing. So we're gonna go and let's follow the trend. Let's do some calls, because that's what it is. The trend is going up, so let's buy a call. There we go, it's already in the green, just 1 contract. Let's sell it, let's take some profit. Let's go put, because we want to make our life a little bit more harder. Let's make life a lot harder. Otherwise, it's going to be a very quick and short video, right? And it'll be too not so much of a outrageous, trading. Let's make our life a little bit more difficult. So let's go with the put. Let's add a few contracts here. So we've got 3 contracts right now. Let's add a couple more, because the trend is shooting up and we are counter trending. And I know you traders out there probably screaming, that's not how you're supposed to trade, which I do agree. Normally I would keep the call and trade on the upswing there, going the trend direction, and not counter trend. But I deliberately playing against the trend, go counter trend, just to show you, even if I play counter trend, I can still make a green day, still come out on top. It's still going to be a green profitable day. Okay, so let's just keep on adding some more. So we add 11 contracts now, and these contracts are it's under $1, so it's only 1 cent or whatnot. Or we have 63 cents, yeah. I'm just hitting the hotkeys and just buying, right? So jumping ahead, buying some more. We're up to 20 contracts, and we are in the red at 100 and something in the red. And it's still shooting up. If we have just playing the trend going in the call direction, we would be probably around $1,000 now and call it a day, right? So counter trending just make it a little more fun, a little more exciting. And just to emphasize the outrageous trading, where I just swing at things and know a lot of indicators, anything telling me, or playing with the trend and whatnot. I'm playing quite the opposite and just blindfold and swing, right? And it just keeps on going up. So jumping ahead here, let's see, let's add 10 contracts at once. Let's see. got one so far. So you're gonna get the other 9. So just sitting here waiting. There we go. We got the 9 contracts, so a total of 10 contracts. So we're up to 40 contracts now. Okay, let's jumping ahead here, and we are going to buy some more. Let's make it even 50. Click on the bid button and let's place that order and see if it's gonna fill. We got 3 contracts. Okay, we got filled with 10 more contracts for a total of 50 contracts, and we're in the red for 378. And we spent a few $1,000s already. Market value was over $2,000. So jumping ahead here, it's going downward, and we're in the green. So let's sell some contracts. Let's sell at a set price. 63. Yeah, let's do 30. Okay, 63, and let's place that order and just sit back and let it drop to 63. So jumping ahead, let's see. We're in the green. It's 60 now, 62, 63. There we go. It's filled. So we sold 30 contracts at 63 cents. And we're up $242. And jumping ahead here, we are gonna sell 10 contracts. Let's place the order, sell order at 72 cents. Okay, let's see. Let's place that order, that sell order, and then just sit back and let it fill. Okay, let's adjust that. Let's go 15. Maybe just 10. Yeah, maybe just sell 10. So let's change that to 10. There we go. So right now it's at 66. So jumping ahead, it's at approaching, and we are there. We go. Filled. We sold 10 contracts, and we're up $439. $439. So let's sell the rest here, and we will call it a day. There we go. Okay, we sold. It's complete for day 2, and it's pretty much it's a wrap. So just kind of want to show you that if I had played according to the trend there, I would be, jumping at easily $1,000 playing the uptrend and the downtrend. And of course, I deliberately playing counter trend just to show you how outrageously you can trade as long as you have a big enough size account. You would be able to, no matter which direction you're playing. Of course, there are going to be days that the chart's just not going to let up. It's just going to go in one direction. But a lot of times, when you see when it's being volatile, which every day it's like that, right? Because nothing's going straight, right? Pretty much. And for those days, you'll be profitable. So, the biggest factor here is you need to have a big enough size account to play outrageously, okay? But of course, normally I don't play this way. Otherwise, I'd be paying a lot of commission to a lot of commissions to the broker, and I don't like that. And at the same time, if you trade according to the trend and play it right, you don't have to make so many trades, and you make more profits as well. So, but here I'm just want to show you that I'm not using any stop loss, no indicators. Well, one, but it's just there for kind of see, instead of just candlesticks, right? And yeah, came out on top again today. Over $400 profit in about an hour and 15 minutes or something like that. And that's like playing counter trending. Otherwise, I would achieve that in like half an hour or something or less. So yeah, that's it for day 2. So stay tuned for day 3 and see if it's going to be a perfect green day again. Okay? See you tomorrow.